Plus.
Despite a call for clemency, Marcellus Williams' execution is set to move forward. Virgin Group founder Sir Richard Branson placed this full-page ad in the Kansas City Star urging Missouri Governor Mike Parson to stop the execution. Williams is scheduled to die in exactly 24 hours. Our Justina Cornell has been following this case, which stems from a 1998 murder, and she joins us in studio with the latest. Justina.
Well, within the last hour, Governor Mike Parson confirmed the state of Missouri will carry out the sentence for Marcellus Williams. We learned the Missouri Supreme Court overruled a motion for stay of execution. Now, earlier today, Williams asked the United States Supreme Court to stay his execution based on new evidence, and those claims were argued this morning.
Please be seated.
Just one day prior to the execution of Marcellus Williams.
We're already here on Monday morning before the day of execution.
Attorneys argued before the Missouri Supreme Court. Multiple appeals were made, an effort to save the death row inmate. Williams has maintained his innocence for a 1998 murder of killing Lisha Gayle. Monday morning, Williams' attorneys pointed to an admission from the original trial prosecutor saying he removed at least one potential juror because he was black and looked too much like Williams.
He admitted unequivocally that he struck a juror in part because he was a young black man with glasses.
However, Missouri's Assistant Attorney General argued against that.
He did not admit that he struck a black juror partially because he was black. He said, no, absolutely not, absolutely not.
Both went back and forth.
He said the quiet part out loud. He admitted that there was actually a racial component here, and that is unconstitutional.
There's no clear and convincing evidence here. There's no evidence at all.
Williams' biggest argument, if there was a Batson violation in the original jury selection.
Batson v. Kentucky is that original case that states that you cannot remove people through peremptory challenges because of their race. Arguing a Batson is, it's difficult. It's very difficult because it doesn't take a huge reason for the court to say your Batson challenge, doesn't hold up.
With only so much time left to spare, Williams seeks a stay.
The most pressing issue at the moment is to stay the execution.
Now, the Midwest Innocence Project is involved in this case, and they've driven more than 30,000 calls towards Governor Mike Parson. We're still waiting for a decision from the U.S. Supreme Court.